Galaxy, I'm Chris Pirillo, and you've tuned in for yet another funboxing. This will be an unboxing that you will never forget. That's what the F is short for in the word funboxing, right? No, wait, it's just fun. We're gonna have fun with this. We've got, like you have one as well. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I have one, a Pixel 7 Pro. Finally! I'm a pro. It's proof. Like, they don't sell this to amateurs. You could walk into a store or go onto the internet and try to buy it, but if you are flagged as an amateur, they will not sell it. Go ahead, try it. Try it. The only way you're going to be able to do it is if you're a pro. So I am certifiably a pro. On the other side, they give you a hashtag. Look at that. Team Pixel. It's a hashtag. You can not tap it, though. That's... doesn't really, the hashtag doesn't work. I don't know if that was, here, you try tapping it. Can you do that on your screen? Maybe it works for you. I'm not a member of Team Pixel. I have been using a Pixel 6 Pro, largely connected to the same computer, the same PC that I'm using to record this particular video, using it primarily as a webcam for live streaming on YouTube or on Twitch, as I do every night, or onto MakerDeck, showing everybody my 3D prints. Anyway, I am upgrading from the 6 to the 7 Pro in each case. And no, wait, I didn't get a case for the 7 Pro. Uh-oh, better not drop it. You know what I'm saying? Because if you... Fine, survived the drop test, but unfortunately it may have reconfigured the image on the front of the box. Now it's upside down. Let me see if... Oh yeah, fixed it. Don't worry. If it happens to you, you can easily address it. Clearly, this is a Google phone, and you know, because you can't get it. You can't even find it. Bing won't even surface the results for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. It's true. Now, on the back of the box, past this non-tappable, non-clickable hashtag, we have a very unique feature that isn't seen on a lot of boxes. And in fact, I wanted to call special attention to this because it's got a slide to unlock. Hang on. Slide, maybe the others. See, there's an arrow. It's pointed, the arrow's pointed down. Am I using it wrong? It's a slide to unlock, is it not? Down arrow. Oh, I see. It's a pull tab. Right, better hold on to that. You don't want to lose it, because I may need to take advantage of that later. There we go. All right, so we've removed those tabs. Time to see if we have a box fart. Let's get it close to the mic. This is an ASMR unboxing. No box fart. Inside the box, we have cardboard. Wow, that's very cardboardish. Even the box has to accommodate the camera protrusion. Oh, they're doing it to save space, save cardboard. The nice thing about the Pixel 7 Pro is it comes with this handy handle. That's very convenient. Because normally, like, you know, here, look at me schlepping around. Here's my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G Pro Premium. I gotta hold it like this. Like, if I want to carry it around, I gotta, like, pinch it like that. No. Google has taken the extra step of giving you this nice little latch to hold on to carry it around. Very convenient. Extremely convenient. So I love that. That is very, very nice of them to do. Okay, on the back here, we have a very clearly black back. It's how I prefer my devices, completely dark black. I know everyone else loves the color. Me, I'm all about the blackness, right? Just give me just inky, deep blacks. I'm all about that. There's the camera array up there to help take pictures and whatnot. There's the flash. It's naked, so it's flashing you right now, in case you're wondering. Oh, on the front, we have a part of the handle here. Right? So I guess I should hold it by the handle. We've got a place where you can place your fingerprint to make sure that it knows it's you. And then some indicators as to where the power button, the volumes, switch or the rocker is on the side. I don't know how well it rocks though. Hey, for those about to rock, we salute you. On the other side, oh, look at that. It comes with an actual physical SIM tray? I mean, how friendly is that? I mean, what phone manufacturer these days would only ship a device that had eSIM? Who would do that? Why would they do that? Why? And you know the worst thing about those other phones that may ship without an actual SIM tray? They don't even bother to give you an eSIM ejector tool. I mean, the audacity! Okay, back to the device. USBC. USB Type-C, so it's a civilized device, as we very well know. USB-C. Oh no. I'm going to have to take the handle off. Well, looks like I'm going to have to lose a feature here in a second. First, let's go through the rest of the box, because this is a fun boxing. We've got a cable, an USB cable. USB Type-C cable. Can't have enough of these, quite honestly. At least at this stage. And so, I will be holding on to this. Can't have too many lying around, and they're generally good for other devices as well. I don't know if I'll ever use this specifically in conjunction with this device, because I already have a USB Type-C black cable that's threaded from a power connector or adapter, beneath the desk, because cables are better. I was gonna say better seen and not heard, but I never want to hear my cable. Yeah, well. Sounds like a cable, not DSL. Definitely cable-like. Then we have a USB Type-A to Type-C adapter. Also nice to have in the box, because you never know when you need something like this, so these adapters are very good to have. Although I will point out again on the cable, USB Type-C on both ends. Then we have this... Let's see my cereal. Oh, it's just so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's so diminutive. So cute. Comes this little cellophane holder. Again, they're all about their holders here. Let me see if I can... There. Oh, pull it off. Look at that. Chris actually pulled it off. Okay, so we have safety, warranty, and regulatory guide for Pixel 7 Pro. Okay, do you want health-related functions? Pedometer, sleep, exercise, heart rate, and associated fitness application functions. Heart rate? I didn't think this... Can it measure the heart rate? I had no idea. Ooh, it's got a Class 1 laser product. Just don't point it at a plane. Don't take it on a plane. I don't know what that means. May have medical device interference. Good to know. Care and cleaning. For basic care and cleaning, go to a website. Okay, water resistance, limited warranty information, service and support. This is all very important. Regulatory information. Arbitration. So they got all the legalities there, blah 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 blah, and then it goes into Espanol right on the other side. So I'm not gonna try that. Going back, Google. It's a little Google instruction again. They're all about the URLs. And there's, look at that. We have the SIM ejector tool. You need to eject the SIM if your phone is, one of the phones that still has a SIM tray, which I believe is still a good thing, then you could use that tool. Again, civilized. You don't want to use like a paper clip to eject it. Who uses paper clips anymore? Come on, just use e-paper clips. PDF clips, I guess. All right, I'm going to remove the handy dandy handle. There we go, see? It's almost like a color form. Remember color forms? I remember color forms. We've got the device. Going to boot it up. Or at least try to boot it up. Holding onto the power button. Ooh, nice vibration. Let me try that again. Oh, maybe I'll have to turn it off. I'll turn it off later and try it again. But that was a substantial vibration. That was very vibraty. I don't know about the haptic engine in this thing yet, because obviously I haven't used it. I will be running it through its paces, testing the camera, specifically against other modern cameras. I don't plan, and this is a big caveat, I do not plan on switching to the Pixel 7 Pro. I do plan on upgrading, like I said, but not switching as a daily driver, if only because Google does not allow you... Wow, that engine, that's a nice... I liked that feedback. It's almost like a heartbeat. That's seriously. Okay, I'm being serious for a second. That's like, it's got a heartbeat. Here, let me see if you can pick up the heartbeat. Can you hear that on the microphone? No, probably not. Okay, I can feel it. I can feel the sensation of this thing having a heartbeat. I don't know what it takes to do mouth-to-mouth resuscitation in case the battery dies, and hopefully you don't. But anyway, I plan on using this primarily as a webcam. I know, overkill. But the reason I don't want to switch to it is serious for a second. That software, the nav bar at the bottom of the screen is annoying as... Sorry, I was just noticing there was like a smudge at the bottom of the screen. I thought it was a crack. No, it was where there was some residue from, I guess, this not being applied perfectly, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Not going to ding it. It still, by the way, has a heartbeat. You can't turn off that software nav bar at the bottom of the screen. You can't do it. Can't hide it. You can do that on every other Android device, but Google says, no, you have to look at this inconsistent thing at the bottom of your screen all the time. Like, well, what if you want to turn it off? No. Why, Google? Why can't we turn off that software bar? Chris, why don't you switch to a Pixel? Well, it isn't because of all of everything else. It isn't what? Wait, why? I'm... Which device is talking to me? Who's talking to me? Can you hear that? I got another Google device talking to me. It isn't this. Anyway, you can't turn off the software nav bar. It's a big annoyance. It's one of the reasons I find it tremendously difficult to use the Pixel. We'll see if this performs any better than the Pixel 6 Pro out of the box with demonstrably less lag. Don't know, shrug emoji. Stay tuned for I guess a fuller review of the Pixel 6. Did I ever do a full-on review of the other phone that I had? What reviews do I need to catch up on?